What's up, witches? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Pandora, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing video today. Before we get started though, I want to do a shout out to this episode's sponsor, Metro. They just sent me their new Mighty Light, which is perfect for transporting potions and keeping them hot or cold. And now that they come in different colors, it's easy to tell which is which. No pun intended. Anyways, next up we have one of Metro's new heated shelves, which does an amazing job keeping to-go orders fresh and hot. Nothing worse than your boilin' bubble turning into straight-up customer trouble. And last but not least, the tried and true Super Erector shelf. This is their Pro model, in my favorite color, green. The polymer cover allows for potion-proof protection and easy cleaning. So anyways, thank you again, Metro, for sponsoring today's video. And now, on to the unboxing.